Hi everyone, welcome back to my second part of my doodle. In this video, I'm just going to be coloring everything in and filling out some details. I do want to share with you guys a little fact about this sketch slash doodle, and this is GB. As you guys can see on my business page, I have GB Creations, and this is one of my main characters. So this GB character is what inspired me to name my jewelry business, GB Creations. It's unique, and as well as the jewelry that I make. So I hope you guys enjoy all of the videos and all of my doodles and of course all of my jewelry. If you guys want to see more of my doodles, please let me know. I would like to know if you guys are interested in these videos. Sometimes it's interesting to learn my skills and rewatch these videos, and I also like sharing jewelry on here, so sometimes I have fun showing you guys the collections that I make and future collections. Please don't forget to follow us and check out our website and other social media pages. I'll see you later, you guys.